this is how the wig is looking like. And if you'd like to know how I wash and condition my wigs, I have a video that I'm going to link somewhere here. You can watch like the first part. It is going to show you how I wash and condition my wig. So basically this is how the wig is looking like. I've been having this wig since 2013. So this is how the wig is looking like. It is an old wig. And right now I'm going to go ahead and the hair with Revlon One Step Blow Dry. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some hair here on the crown section and pin it and pin it up, and then when I'm done I'm going to go ahead and trim the hair that is here on the side so that I can create a tempered cut. Hopefully it's going to come up nice. First of all, I'm actually checking the angle of the wig, whether the wig cap is pulled up from ear to ear, because I'm doing a tempered cut, and if my wig cap is not placed okay, my tempered cut will be skewed. So it is very important for me to make sure that my wig cap is placed from ear to ear. It's an old wig, guys. You can even see that the hair is thinning. The wig is old, very old. Oh, and then when I'm done, I've actually decided to come here and take another line so that I can cover this part, because this is bald. You know, I can't trim everything off and let the curls come in. It's going to be funny. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some hair here, just another line, so that I can cut it maybe up to somewhere here so that it can cover the patches. Okay. Things that you don't want to do is to trim the hair below this line, because this upper hair must cover this line, so that when you flat iron, you know, everything will just flow all the way down without showing the lines. Okay, let's start with 2 and see what's up. Okay, let's see. Okay, not bad. Not bad. So guys, right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off this bottom part, and then I am going to use this wig cap to attach this hair on top of this thing. Like, this is the best that I can do at the moment, and I don't really know how the whole thing will go, but it is worth a try. Like, I'm not even motivated to. So my plan was to trim this bottom part and attach it on the cap. Unfortunately, this cap is too old and I can't trust it. So what I'm going to do is so simple. I'm just going to take this wig and attach it here, and mostly I am going to focus at the back. So I'm going to use a neatly and try by all means to attach everything. Like, I'll go around and follow this and follow the hair trails, like, I don't know. Yeah, so basically this is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do it off camera so that I can save my time. Okay, let me show you just a little bit what I'm talking about. So this is what I am talking about. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to attach this to the socks. So basically you need a needle like this. I'm not really sure whether you can see the socks down here, the wig cap. So right now what I'm doing is so simple. I'm just attaching the wig to the wig cap, because I can't stand having a puffy bag while you're telling yourself that you're wearing a Pixie wig. No.